Hi guys, today I will tell you more about installing the KESSY handles to your car. I installed it specifically to Škoda Fabia 2016, but it's pretty much the same process either for Fabia or Golf from this model year. I had an advantage in the beginning because my car was already equipped with an easy start button, which means that it had all the necessary hardware for KESSY to work. That means I had the steering column lock installed already in my car, as well as the KESSY module and the antennas in the interior. And since I knew that I had these parts installed in my car, it made me think that if there is a possibility of also installing the KESSY handles to the car. I saw in the price list that the cost of KESSY handles was only 200 euros approximately. So that made me think that it might be an easy process. I started to look for some KESSY handles, from some used ones, and I found out that you can easily buy them. I bought my set of handles including the wiring for only 70 euros. So I ordered that, and later on I found out that I also need the KESSY antenna in the rear bumper, as you can see now in the picture. So I ordered that from the eBay as well. And after everything came, I installed it to the car because when I checked the wiring diagrams and the schemes, I found out that it's pretty much the same for Golf or Fabia. The wiring diagrams are the same. So I knew what I need in terms of the hardware. And I installed everything in the car. But unfortunately, after I plugged it in and coded the module, I found out that it doesn't work. I thought that maybe I have some error in my wiring, or I don't know, that there might be a problem with the coding. But when I got back to my computer and I looked for some answers and reached out to some people, I found out that unfortunately, even though I have the KESSY module, which was supposed to work with the handles, as I thought, but I found out that the module doesn't have the right parametric values, which means it recognizes the handles, it seems like it's working, but the module doesn't know what to do with the handles once it receives the signal, when you touch the handle to open the doors or to lock the doors. I found one guy who is specializing in flashing modules and retrofitting things, and he helped me with this using my friend's computer. So he flashed the module, and after maybe 20 minutes of him working with the module, it finally worked, as you can now see in the video. It works like from the factory. That means once the car recognizes the key is near the car, using the antennas, when you touch the handle, either locks or unlocks the car, or when you come near and the car recognizes the key is near the trunk, thanks to the added antenna. Once you touch the handle, it will unlock only the trunk, and after you close it, it locks the car again. The only difference or the added benefit of this is that if the car recognizes the key is still in the car, it will automatically unlock once again, because it knows the key is in the car. For example, if you have it in your jacket and you throw your jacket in the trunk and you close it, it won't lock, so you won't lock yourself out of the car. So this is a great feature to have, and I'm very happy with this mod. If you need any help with retrofitting KESSY to your car, you can freely reach out to me. I will be glad to help, and I hope you found this video interesting, and thank you for watching, and I wish you a nice day. So bye bye guys.